Hello and welcome to Miss Shaw's High Frequency Words Learning video for Friday. We are continuing on with our 3 sight words for the week: I, am, and thee or the. Objective: what will I do today? Today I will read the high frequency words I, am, and thee. Miss Shaw left out thee in the slide. I'm sorry, I'll fix that. And practice building them with the Sight Word Builder slides. So you're going to practice with these flashcards. You can either practice with your own or you can practice using these flashcards. And there's also a separate set of Google Slides just called flashcards that you can practice with also. So this is the sight word I, the sight word am, am, and the sight word thee or the, T-H-E. Now, I think you're going to like this practice because it's Friday. I wanted to do something a little bit more fun. So to practice today on your sight words, you're going to use the following slides to read, type, and build this week's sight words. So here are the directions. So the first step is you're going to read the sight word at the top of the paper. This example is the sight word are, as in, are you going to go? So the top one says read it. So you're going to try to read the word. Type the word in the type it box. So you're going to click on the box and you're going to use your keyboard to type the word. Then you're going to drag the letters over to the build it box. Now, if you have a tablet that's touchscreen, that's easier to do than if you have a mouse that works on your keyboard. So to grab the letters, you have to, if you have a mouse, you have to put your finger on the left button. Maybe mom or dad could help you. Press down till you see the 4 little squares around the boxes that show in blue. And then you're going to build it by pulling it over to this last rectangle that says build it. And tomorrow in our learning video, I'm going to give you a demonstration of what that looks like so that you'll be able to see it and I can share my screen with you. Okay, so this is what it should look like, and then you'll move on to the next slide. So we're doing the word the, so you would read it, and then you would type it, and then you would use your mouse to drag T-H-E over and build the word. And then you would move on to the next word, am, and then the next word, I. So we will practice this during our Google Meets tomorrow at 10 o'clock. So Ms. Shaw can show you the screen. And it might be a little difficult at first, but once you get the hang of it, I have slides for every single sight word. And I know that you're going to have fun once you start playing around with this. Okay, thanks for watching my learning video. See you later.